YouTubers, I hope you're doing good today. This is JD Cap for 26. Just do the repairs and tips. And yeah, we're looking at a tub here. Now, sometimes you're going to find underneath the tub matte, orange color porcelain, and it looks like rust. Well, to clean that, I'm going to use a product I'll show you in a minute. You want to use CLR, calcium lime rust, and a Scotch pad. What you're going to do is you're going to pour a little bit into the tub and wear gloves and put it over the area that has the rust or discoloration and let it sit there for about 10-15 minutes. Then you're going to go in with the Scotch guard and you're going to have to scrub it, okay? And that will get rid of that rust and discoloration. You also use it on the sink. So that's the product you need. You get that at Home Depot or Lowe's. And I hope this helps you. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and share.